So, what are heirloom seeds? Well, essentially, heirlooms are old-fashioned heritage varieties that have been passed down for many generations, which means that someone somewhere thought they were special, and they were either passed down by a village, a tribe, a family, maybe a region that grew them in a different country. Many of them have stories attached to them, and all of them are open-pollinated. In other words, they breed true. If you grow a seed from a tomato that you love, a Cherokee Purple or a pineapple, you'll get a Cherokee Purple or a pineapple. As opposed to the hybrids, which were developed in a university or a laboratory by a selected cross between two specific parents. So the heirlooms are essentially 50 years old, they're open-pollinated, and they've been created and passed down by generations of growers, people who recognize their value and have been selecting and saving them through the ages.